E is here from Orbeus, and she's going to show us ReKognition, right?
Yeah. And before I start, I'm saying that it's so interesting seeing the competition on stage. I was expecting to see my name, but it turned out to be very sad. I was not win. Yeah. So hi, we're Orbeus. We offer integrated visual recognition solutions based in the cloud. What does that all mean, you ask? Well, before we go into the nuts and bolts of our technology, let me show some of the recent trend of the internet world today. The age of big data is marked by an explosion of data in all shapes and forms. In particular, the total volume of photos and videos online is expecting to reach about 8 zettabytes by 2015, which is doubling the number in 2013. However, our computer has not yet equipped with the ability to automatically and efficiently recognize what is being uploaded. Tremendous business potentials remain hidden behind the photos and videos uploaded every minute. So at Orbeus, we solve this problem by empowering computer to recognize faces, sceneries, objects all together in image as well as in videos in real time. Well, seeing is believing. Like now, I would love to show one of our iOS application we built, powered by our backend technology. It's called ReKognition. Use ReKognition is pretty simple. It's as easy as just snapping out a photo. So here you can see, you can take a picture or randomly select a photo from your album. Then our engine will tell you automatically what this photo is about, such as cats, food, beach, like party, and etc. How about everyone have interest to download it right now and try what it will turn out to be? So here I can try with my phone, taking a snapshot of what we're seeing right now. It's very easy, just tap in the photo album, and then the results will showing up on the screen. So probably some people in the front end can see that by taking the photo, it's actually showing the view as club, human, like nightclub, street, charts, a lot of things. It's interesting, and you more than welcome can try everything you want to take and to see what it turns out to be. ReKognition turns your camera into an intelligent eye. It will provide a revolutionized way to discover and learn. For example, like this one. By taking a picture, we're not like saving the picture, but we also can automatically direct to the information you want to search. For example, it's automatically connect to a wiki page, so now you know everything about this adorable golden retriever. And it can do more than just taking photos. Like thinking about like by the computer, the engine automatically know what this photo about, you can easily and insert an advertisement very naturally match up what is showing in the content and share it with your friends on social networks, and in the meanwhile, earn a penny. So nothing more easier than earning money this way. And with ReKognition, your phone can do a lot more than just taking photos. By taking photo intelligently, you can automatically recognize and organize all your photos in your photo album. So here you can see this is my album. It shows I'm kind of outdoor person, and I shows I like to hang out with friends. I love flowers, so forth. This type of information help you to know better what is your daily life looks like within a time frame. Or if you're a business owner, it also helps you to learn more about your customer, what they are usually uploading, and what their user behavior will be. So this is just an application we built to show off our technology as well as to change people's way using their daily life. But in the meanwhile, later on, we will also open an SDK for the ReKognition. It will be just as simple as a photo button. Every application can integrate that with their app, and every photo you take is so intelligent. You can do a lot of things on top of that, like what I showed before, like snap a picture and learn more by searching, linking to Wikipedia, maybe landmark, linking to TripAdvisor, and so forth. And you also can earn money by sharing photos with the in-image native ads. And maybe you have some more brilliant ideas by using the metadata. And the third, we provide a very powerful backend with all the metadata automatically generated to show analytic results, helping you know your life. And this is all. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Yi. Let me see get this thing going here.
Any questions?
Okay, you guys know the drill. Eddie.
Can this be applied to videos as well?
Which way?
Your technology, which analyzes the image and gives you kind of the percent what the content represents, can it be applied to video content as well?
You mean, can our technology also rate in videos? Sorry, I didn't get that question.
So your technology showed a use case where you upload an image and it tells you it's 10% beach, 5% family. Can you do the same thing with videos?
Yes, exactly. As I mentioned in my first conversation, we are very strong not only to recognize images, but we also provide solutions for analysis video in real time. We can add metadata like faces, people's emotions, their roughly age, races, as well as concept, object, all together within video.
So I just took a picture of Miles, and it shows me that it's 43% sure he's a person, and 35% sure there's some espresso in that picture as well. I was wondering how many different concepts and objects does your app recognize?
Yeah, that's a really good question. We are advanced technology provider, so except the face part, we currently offer our object and scene understanding API online, which recognizes around 2,000 different categories. And you can find the detailed documentation about which 2,000 in our website. There's like beach, food, dog, cat, even chinchilla.
So I downloaded the app too, and I tested on some of my older photos, and it did a pretty good job actually.
Thank you so much.
Much better than the picture of Miles. But what are your plans on increasing that catalog more than 2,000? Like, how far do you plan on going? What's the rate?
Actually, this question depends on two different aspects. One is business aspect, and the other is technical perspective. While talking about the business perspective, the 2,000 category we select, not only because currently we have the limitation only recognize those 2,000 category, it is more like the ideas and object people daily encounter with. So we got the names from social networks as well from some like advertisement taxonomies. So that's where we got those numbers. We think this makes more sense for describing people's daily life. And of course, we can keep adding new categories in two ways. One is adding a total new category. It also can be defined by the customer. We also open API for people. They can train their own object for us to recognize. And in the other round, we can also like doing the subtitles for each category. For example, currently we do food, but later on we can split that to like 10 more like noodles, pizza, burger, like steak, a lot of things. So the variety can be expanded in different varieties.
Okay.
Hi. I've used some of the other image-based search apps before. So the question is, how do you differentiate yourself with mobile Google image search?
So talking about compare with other competitors, some of those big guys like Google image search, which is people usually search on the website, we also offer image search capabilities, but that technology is different from what I'm showing today, the concept recognition. For searching an image, you can use different ways like search based on similarities. That means I taking a picture with this view, it will search out all the results with such like color kind of information and like people, like seems like you do not have a good eyesight, and you stand away from the photo, you look all similarly, so it's searched based on similarity. And what we are doing right now is based on recognize. We can tell you this chair is a chair, so the search result will all relate you to chair, not only depending on whether the color or the structure look similarly. That is why it is different. It's totally two technology.
I'm back here, guys.
Okay, thank you so much. I think time is up.
Yeah.